Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access apps. After that, tap on Default Apps, click on Home app, and select Simple Launcher by clicking on it. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to switch it off, access exactly the same settings and tap on Default Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!